edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We're talking about non-immigrant visas in this set of videos, and we're up to F. And we discussed in a prior video the basics of the student visa, but I'd like to talk about a couple other items. A lot of times when people come on B2 or visitor visa, they want to extend their visitor visas or status, and I let them know that that's probably not a good idea because of the time that they've been here, and they're just, immigration is denying those left and right these days. So one good option to change your status from a visitor or another temporary status is a student. Once you are inside the United States, again, you get the I-20 from the particular school, which is essentially their admission document, and then you file a change of status to student or F1. So you go from B2 to F1, and whereas coming from outside the U.S. is much more difficult to get the F1 issued, it is quite a bit easier once you're in the U.S. So you get your F1, and the law says that you can't actually attend the school until it is approved. So in some respects, you'll be paying for a school you're going to go to that you can't legally attend for 2 or 3 months, or whenever it is that hopefully the approval would come through. Now, the way it will work is once you get that approval, you'll again get a change. You'll get the I-94 and it'll say F1 D/S. So again, as long as you go to the school, you are able to keep the F1 status. And just so you know, a lot of people, if they work it right, they can come here on an F1 and attain residency ultimately. So for example, let's say they come as a visitor. They come on B2 and they switch to F1, and then from F1, once they're done with school, they get optional practical training, OPT, and then they apply for the H-1B, which is a work visa, and then they apply for the PERM, which is for the green card, and all this takes many years, but it is a path that does start with the F. Okay, more coming on subsequent videos.